In this video we'll be learning about variables. So we'll be making a variable number. So inside this number variable I am storing 90. So let's print number. So when I print it, it is saying 90. Now I am going to give number equals 10.1. So when I run it, it is changed from 90 to the number 10.1. Let's print another, let's say website. So we'll be storing a string inside it, www.website.com. So I am not specifying anything, but Python will automatically know it is a string. So let's run it. So you can see it is saying www.website.com. Okay, now this was a website and this was it is stored in website variable. Now we will be printing multiple arguments inside a print statement. So let's say hello, and I put a comma in between, and then world, and let's say okay, let's print it. So you can see it is saying hello world. So similarly we can also do like this. Let's say first name. So this is a variable and I am storing Dushashan inside it. Okay, and then we will be putting the last name equals Kaurav, and then let's put the country as India and city as Mathura. Okay, so these are different variables and we are storing different values to those variables. So let's say age is 46 and then is married equals to, and then we'll put skills equals, so Dushashan knows Python, Matlab, and then JavaScript, and let's say C. Okay, so these 4 languages, and then person info. So now inside percentage info I am going to make a dictionary. Okay, so inside the dictionary I am storing his first name. Okay, first name. Okay, so let's first name be Duryodhan, and then I am going to put the last name. Here also I am putting Kaurav, and then country, let's say India, and then we'll put the city as Mathura. Now we will be printing the different values. Okay, so for printing I am going to print the first name, and let's put the first name variable. Okay, so when we print it, it is printing first name and the Dushashan. Okay, so we'll put a colon over here, and now we'll print first name length, first name length. We'll just put the length of first name, first. Okay, so let's print it and see. So you can see the length is 9. So similarly we can put the last name, city and everything. So I'm just printing the personal info, which is a dictionary. Okay, so we'll print personal, let's say person information. So it will print the person info, underscore info. So let's print it. So you can see till the first name length it is there, and then it is printing the person information, first name, last name, country, and the city. So now we'll be declaring multiple variable in one line using comma and semicolon. So let me put some enters, and then we'll start from here. Okay. So A, B and C, these are three variables and we are storing different values to it. Let me store one integer and then a floating point number and then a string hello. Okay, and then we can print it separately, A, B and print C. So you can see the different values. Okay, so now we will be putting it differently using the semicolon. A equals 1, semicolon, B equals let's say 2.5, and then we will put C equals 3. Okay, and I will print A comma B comma C. So let's run it. So it is saying equal to, it is semicolon. So you can see 1, 2.5 and 3. So similarly we can do it for the above one, as the case in which we have put the name and other things. So it will print like that. You can do like that also. Here is one more thing, x equals y equals z equals same. Okay, so all the value will be assigned with the same. So let's say x, print y and print z. So let's run it. So you can see all are same. So here also we can put a integer also, let's say 300. So everything will become 300. So now we will be changing the value of a variable. Okay, so let's change the value. So let's say website equals, this time we are going to take wikipedia.com, and then we'll print the website. So it is saying Wikipedia. So now we are assigning a new value, website equals, let's say www.github.com, and we'll put the website. So website is being changed to GitHub. Similarly we can change the value in any way, like the above one we changed it. So now we'll change the value of a string to integer. Let's say m equals Python, and then we are going to put m equals 10. So the value will be changed to 10.